step in the baseboard install in the guest bedroom is a scarf joint, so I thought I would show you what one looks like after it's been done. We have them all throughout our house. I thought I'd show you in our living room, and then I'll explain why you would do it. All right, so there's a scarf joint on this wall. I just want to back up just a little bit so you can try to visually see it. All right, you see it now? That is a scarf joint. And the cuts I will show you in just a second, but I just wanted to show how it comes together so that you can visualize how it will look when it's done. We found 2 reasons to do scarf joints, and the one is if you have a wall that's over 12 feet, because here you can only get baseboards, the longest length you can get them is 12 feet, so you would need to tie those baseboards together on a longer wall. Or if you have uneven flooring and you want to have the baseboards sit more flushly on the floor, you can do multiple scarf joints along a wall if you have very uneven flooring to help account for the flooring differences, so that you don't have huge gaps of baseboards between the floor and the baseboards, like a full run. All right, so this wall is bigger than 12 feet, and so I'm gonna have to do a scarf joint in the middle. And so I'm going to set my miter saw at 45, and I'm going to cut the left end of this baseboard at 45, and then the next baseboard I'm going to cut the right end at 45, and then together they're going to seam together. So I'll show you how to do it. We have a blog post for this too, so I will link it, but I'll show you how. Left side, that big board, with a 45-degree cut. Now I'm gonna cut this one, I'm gonna cut the right side. So you leave the saw the same way. Just cut this side, and this is what it's gonna look like on the wall. It might be a little hard to do this one-handed. You can't really see it one-handed, but do you see how that's gonna work together? So there's my scarf. So I actually did it again because I didn't have enough big enough board, so I'm trying to just use scraps here. And this is like a corner of the guest bedroom, so I don't care. In a main space, I would have just gone to Lowe's to get another board, but like I said, I don't mind here. So I wanted to show you guys how to measure. So when you're measuring to do your scarf, like to finish off a wall, you want to measure from this tip to the wall. So I'm gonna do a scarf on this baseboard right here, and it's going to be on the right side of the baseboard. Measure to the tip, and then I'm just going to do a straight 90 over there. All right, to install you need a stud finder, safety glasses, nail gun, an air compressor. I'll link our compressor and the nail gun we have. They're inexpensive, and we've really liked how easy they are to move around, and you need nail guns.